In this beautiful video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Facebook ads account from your Instagram account. You have been running your ads successfully on Instagram. You have been boosting your posts, getting more customers, getting more profile visits. But suddenly, Instagram start telling you that your ads account has been disabled or you have a payment issue with your Instagram ad account. You need to review it and you've tried all your best. There is no solution. Listen to me very carefully. The best way you can be able to go around this or solve this problem is to disconnect or unlink your Facebook ad account from your Instagram. Then you can link another Facebook ad account to your Instagram or create another ad account from the Instagram app itself so that you can continue to run your ads and run your business. My name is Ayatollah. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. A lot of people who need help just like you can watch this video and benefit just like you. In case you need help with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, payment issues, ban, Telegram ads, YouTube ads, chat me on WhatsApp using this number you see on the screen. I have a one-on-one consultation. So let's get straight into it.
Type that in, you're going to see your home page right here, right? And you're going to see that the name of my client, okay? You can see it here. So I'm just going to click on the left-hand side, you click on see more. And on this place, you want to make sure that you click on ads manager. So your home might be up here. Your home might be anywhere in this left hand side, so just click on that ads manager. You understand? So once you do this, then the next page is actually going to load, which is your ad account, right? So let's look or let's view the ad account that is actually disabled, which was already connected to our Instagram account. So the next thing I'm just going to do, I'm just going to cancel that message out of the screen. So you are going to go to this place we have here. You're going to go to the left hand side and you're going to see something like this settings icon. So I want you to click on it. It's below the screen. Click on that setting icon, and once you click on that setting icon, then the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to go down.
You want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you see something like add account roles. Now you see that we have two people using this ad account. They are ad account admin on this ad account. So you want to make sure you remove all the user. But before we do it, you can see we have OG Michael as an admin, Big M Kicks as an admin. These are the Instagram accounts connected to this ad account. Let me show you the Instagram account right now. Please, we have OG Michael. The name is OG Michael. It has the same profile picture and it's BSBGM Kick. So let's look for it. The first one we are talking about, this is the Instagram account here. Do you understand? Which I showed you on the screen right now. So I'm going to click on remove user, remove all the Instagram accounts connected to this place. Do you understand? Remove user. Once I click on remove user as well, let's look at what is actually going to come. Do you understand? You can see we've been able to remove that Instagram account. Let's go back to that Instagram and see if that ad account has been disconnected from our Instagram account. Once we open Instagram, this is the profile. Do you understand? So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the profile, your profile. You want to boost a post. So if I click on boost a post right now, you are going to see what they are actually going to be telling me here. You can see this thing has been reset and they are telling you to choose how you would like to boost ad on Instagram. Do you want to connect it with another Facebook ad account, or you want to create an Instagram ad account that is not going to be connected to Facebook? I will recommend you, if you're in Africa or you want to be using prepaid ad account, to use this particular one, but connect it to another Facebook ad account. This is what you can do, simple as ABC, to remove yourself from complex situations of disabled ad account on Instagram. Now, how do you connect it to another Facebook ad account? You have to be very careful. Once you select this, just click on continue, sign into another Facebook and do it. You have to be very careful here so that you don't connect it to an ad account that does not have PU if you're in Nigeria or that is not prepaid. You can contact me on WhatsApp using this number on the screen. I'll be able to guide you on that. Do you understand? And so that you can be able to create another prepaid ad account and connect it to your Instagram so that you can run your Instagram ads successfully without problem. So I'll see you on the next video. My name is Ayo.